I've just recently started learning HTML and CSS, and there are two things that I'm going to go through here, some problems I had, which weren't really made clear by anybody. If you are having trouble getting Emmet to work, which is the code coloring, the HTML code registry, you probably aren't aware that the pages can only be made in the editor. Just create a new file, and then name the file with save as. Creating HTML pages, or CSS ones for that matter, from the folder will not register to the editor. I'll also mention that the home page is always index.html and the CSS style.css. Well, I'm only starting, so I don't know if the CSS is always style.css. Then you get Emmet installed from the packages, which is the code coloring. If you're struggling to get either the internal CSS link to work or the external, here's what you may not know. I have both Atom and Visual Studio Code installed, and both of them reject the internal link. After a few days of struggling to get it working, it just wouldn't. I decided to try the external link the next day, and it worked. Traverse Media showed the three methods, which are inline CSS, internal, and external. He explained that the inline is not accepted. It's unprofessional, apparently. He only said these are choices, though. Maybe some people's computer will accept both internal and external linkage, but mine will only accept the external type. Both Atom and Visual reject them, and I don't plan to try every brand of editor, so I'm guessing my computer is what's rejecting it. As for the HTML link, the href is external.css instead of style.css for the internal type. As for the HTML link, the href is external.css instead of style.css for the external type. If I encounter more problems which nobody else on YouTube clarifies or talks about, I'll upload another video.